Getting another bite. Got him. Back-to-back strikes. That's a good sized fish. Perfect. Right on. Yee. All right, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to my first YouTube video. I've been doing the TikTok thing, the Instagram thing. I love making edits on there. I've been doing that for a while, but now I'm trying to move over to YouTube. So yeah, I have no idea how this is gonna go. This morning was a fat fail. I woke up at 4 in the morning, tried to launch. When I got to the spot, a couple guys said don't go out. They just came in and it was really rough. Went back home, took a little nap, and now I'm out here. It's beautiful. It's like 7:43, which is way later than I've ever launched. Usually I'm launching in the dark. This is the first time I've ever launched and it's not dark out. Kind of missed out on the live bait this morning, but I don't know, I still got a good feeling, so we'll see. Some dead bait, not like super ideal, but I don't know, I've caught fish on them before. We'll see. Hopefully the fish aren't feeling too picky today. Let's send that guy back maybe like 300 feet or so behind the kayak. If you know me, you know. So I'm super stoked to be doing this YouTube thing. I've been thinking about it for a long time, and like the reason I didn't do it is because I really like just being able to make super short, easy videos on TikTok and Instagram. But I don't know, I'm trying it, so we'll see. I got like a few things planned. Definitely gonna be doing a giveaway probably at 1,000 subscribers. I have some stuff, some nice brand new stuff to give away, so I don't want to say too much, but yeah, so stay posted for that for sure. When Ulua season comes back in a few months, I'll be doing a lot more of that, but for now it's gonna be mainly just kayak stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Yes, sir. This is what you want right here. Live bait. There you go. That's better. All you guys who do this vlog stuff, I give you guys props, because talking to the camera and not sounding awkward is hard as hell. Alright, I officially got 2 baits out. Caught 2 live baits somehow. Normally I can never catch them after sunrise, but I don't know, 2 of them bit, so stoked. Major key for all you kayak guys. If you don't have a pair of these yet, get yourself some. Found some more bait. Freaking big old pelus too. Monsters. Something just bit that bait. Hopefully he comes right back. I think I might have just got onoed. That is what you call an ono bite. Clean cut, straight through the fish. I'm gonna do one last loop around that area and see if I have one more bait left, so see if he wants it. If not, I'm heading in. Last chance right here. I got one on, finally. Perfect. Uku. Nice. Uku. Perfect size for sashimi. For those who don't know, this is a uku. It's a gray snapper, also known as a green job fish. This is like one of the best sashimis you can have right here. Perfect size for it too. Getting another bite. Got him. No! I think it just came off. Unless it's swimming right at me. Yeah, it's still on. Back-to-back strikes. The GoPro's on 1%. It's a good sized fish. Come on. Stay on. Stay on. Big uku. I don't know how much of this you guys can see. Oh, big ass uku. That was pretty sick, one after another. This one bit like within seconds of landing the other one. Whew. Beautiful. That's my favorite sashimi right there. Look at this. That is a beautiful sight right there. Perfect. I'm stoked. Oh yeah. Super stoked on that. I'm like right outside the harbor too. I was on my way in. Right on. Yee! 5 miles an hour on a kayak. Shout out Bixby. This thing is badass.